Hey, I'm Perspective, and I take great care when building my PCs. Hey, what's going on, guys? Perspective here, and today we're going to take a look at the NZXT H510. It is a mid-tower ATX case coming at an MSRP of $69.99. It weighs about 14.5 pounds or 6.6 kilograms. It also has a tempered glass side panel held by only one thumb screw. And it also comes with two 120mm NZXT Air F fans pre-installed on the top and on the back. And if you wanted to, you can change the one 120mm fan on the top for a 140. And the front of the case can fit two, actually, you know what? Oop. While we're down here, we got that dust cover and the power supply dust cover right here. And it looks like it's an adjustment for the 3.5 or 2.5 inch drive bays that are inside the case. But yeah, the front of the case can fit two 120 or 140mm fans. The back side of the case, right here towards the front panel, is also perforated so that you have a little bit better ventilation compared to, say, the NZXT S340. And then the front panel I/O consists of one USB Type-C, one USB 3.0, and a headphone jack. Let's take a look inside real quick before we build in it. So there's the one thumb screw right here, and it's captive, so you don't have to take it all the way out and just, come on, there you go. There you go, okay. Anyway, so here's your 120mm fan that's included. I like how this is not plastic. This is nice. It's metal, and it looks like you can adjust where you put it. And from what I can see here, the front panel doesn't even come off. Yeah, the front panel doesn't come off. This is where you would install your radiator and your fans, and then just kind of push it in there. That's kind of nice, because if these are just fans, you can just remove this panel and then clean them out and remove them, as long as you have the cables easily accessible for them to disconnect. Perforated power supply shroud down here. That was kind of nice. Screws and stuff. They put all of the cables in a bag. How nice of you, NZXT. Okay, so check this out. So we're looking at two 2.5 inch drive bays right here, and they appear to be toolless. You got some straps here for cable management, which I always love. And it even has a little canal here you can route your cables through. That is pretty awesome. Let's see, here's the cage. The drive cage. Oh, very nice. So there's even more canals too to route your cabling right here. All right, well, shoot, I'm excited to build in this thing. Let's get to it.
Sipping Aquafina, I'm sipping 15, kept a weapon on me. Flow make digits, I'm my business, stack chicken like what it's gon' be. Ay, crew in the cut, hey, you want us, rep run when I tell a big piece. Love is love. Love is love. Adios. BeenDope with the switch again. Put it living like he happening. Put with it, just give him estimates. Summer sauce for my Benjamins. I got what you need, baby. Skirt the Chevy, make a scene, baby. LA BB been the team, baby. Been Papa, work the team, baby. Look.
So my finish, got a hand full of limits through the head, got a bag, got a hands in the business. For my hand is a ticket, talking music for the business. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it on the plan with the minutes. Let they bitch and they dance and they let me bitches and they bitch and they dance. Gotta find out where they get it. No, this isn't what you made, but you have a relative and I'm right on the plane.
So that's the NZXT H510. I really love how this case looks. It's not that much different from the S340, but the changes make it look a lot cleaner and they're very welcome. My favorite change is the cable shroud in the center of the case. I really love the aluminum build and the matte finish of it. Now with the build, having to remove only one screw for the tempered glass side panel is a game changer, but removing it is another story. Now cable management was really easy. It's just that I couldn't take advantage of the cable management canals without really bending the cables, so I ended up leaving them alone. The expansion bays were also easy to work with as well. I also thought it was clever how they made full use of the drive cage by adding another place to mount another 3.5-inch drive right on top. And of course, the individual PCI plates, they're always a plus for me. You always know why. Removing and adding components, having them there to put back when you're gonna sell a case. You know how that goes. Always love that. I was really looking forward to the cable mounting canals, but I barely used them, and that was a little bit of a disappointment for me. But other than that, that's all I have to say about this case. Yeah, and my chair is sinking again. I really need a new chair. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.